Plumbing services in Calgary Southeast. Plumbing services are paramount to maintaining the smooth operation of homes and businesses. From minor leaks to major overhauls, plumbing repair and maintenance play pivotal roles in sustaining functionality and comfort. Our plumbers in Calgary, Alberta offer solutions tailored to address diverse needs. Whether it's fixing a dripping faucet, unclogging drains, or repairing burst pipes, we ensure quick resolutions to plumbing issues. Timely repairs not only prevent further damage, but also contribute to conserving water and reducing utility costs, promoting sustainability. However, proactive plumbing maintenance is equally crucial in preventing emergencies and prolonging the lifespan of plumbing systems. Scheduled inspections, thorough cleaning, and preventive measures safeguard against potential breakdowns, ensuring uninterrupted flow and optimal performance. Our expert plumbers in Calgary SE possess the expertise and tools to conduct meticulous inspections, detect underlying issues, and implement preventive measures, fostering peace of mind for residents. Call my Calgary plumber to schedule.